Hello. This is, I think, world's smallest Japanese Lego puzzle box yet. Yeah. So, yeah, it looks maybe like a game console, like a blue Wii. I made this for Lego minifigures. It's pretty good size. Maybe a little too big, but yeah. So to open it, you wanna slide this down, and slide this over, and then you got access to your prize or bomb. Yeah, I often use bombs, non-explosives, of course. Then you have to take this back and yeah. Oops. He can also open it like he put that down and that, and yeah. But you can't pull it off, them off. I use this rounded piece inside this brick piece that can hold this Technic piece. Oh, you can pull it off, and you can rotate this, but this is kind of a little hard, and I show you. Yeah, you can rotate this. It's a little hard because when I use a piece of paper between the Technic piece and this Technic original piece of brick. Yeah, so it this doesn't move, which then makes this just friction to this. Yeah. Try first without paper, and this will go a little wild. Yeah, but thanks for watching, and